Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today we are discovering Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. You can fill out a quiz online and you can tell your stylist exactly what you want. You can receive 5 items. They can either be clothing, jewelry, or shoes. So you fill out an online questionnaire deciding exactly what your style is, and then your stylist will choose what you think you might like best. You can either get a box every week, every mid-month, or every month. Or even when you just need more items like clothes, jewelry, shoes. I love the surprise factor behind it. So what I'm wearing now is actually from a Stitch Fix that I got last year, and I really enjoy wearing it. I love florals. I know that I asked for a lot of florals last year. This year I asked to go more bohemian, just to change up my style a little bit since I have so many florals in my closet already. And I know that I might request florals like in a next fix, but I wanted to see what kind of bohemian styles they have right now. I'm excited to see what's in this fix. Let's check it out. So inside the box it says discover and decide, try on all 5 items that your personal stylist selected for you, pair them with favorites from your closet, and use the enclosed style cards for outfit inspiration. Decide what you love and decide what you want to send back. Number 2, share your thoughts. Visit stitchfix.com to complete your return survey. Rate your items, confirm payment for what you are keeping, and tell us what you're sending back. Your feedback will make our future shipments even better. Number 3 is send it back. If you'll be returning any items, simply place them in the enclosed prepaid shipping bag and drop it at any USPS mailbox or collection site within 3 business days. Okay, so here is the bag that I'll send the clothes back in, whichever I don't choose. I already see something that looks really pretty. Here is the paper sheet with all of the styles and the clothes and the note from the stylist. I'll read that in a little bit. You guys want to see my bundle before I do? I mean, I already saw something that looks very bohemian, very pretty, and looks like it has a little bit of florals on it, but I don't mind because usually bohemian does have some florals on it. So here's the pricing, I believe, in this envelope. And this Oh Hello is a sheet from your stylist and has all of the outfits on it, paired with other items from Stitch Fix. Okay, let's check it out. Oh my gosh! This yellow top is so pretty, and I wanted bright colors this summer. Oh my gosh. This is really pretty. Okay. So this shirt is Paper Moon. Laurie tie sleeve blouse in yellow medium. I like how it has the ties here. That's very bohemian. And I do like the flowers. I don't know if you can go bohemian without flowers, right? Okay, here's a striped something or other. Oh, it's a dress. This is pretty. There's stripes on the outside that are different from the inside. Huh. Okay, this is Market and Spruce Harleen knit dress, blue medium. That's very pretty. Oh, and another thing about Stitch Fix is their quality is fantastic. Their clothes are made very well, which I like, because you know, if they're made well, they last longer. So I'm excited to add some of these to my collection. Ooh, this is different. This is a different pattern than I normally wear. I love this color teal. Nice work shirt. This is a Lush worn split neck blouse in teal green, size medium. That's very nice. Okay, this I'm really excited about. It looks very bohemian, florally. Okay. Ooh. Kimono here. Ooh, this is really pretty. Ooh, look at the detailing on the sleeve. It's like a crochet detailing. I love the pattern and floralness. Definitely bohemian, very nice. This is Mason & Bell Laria Crochet Trim Kimono Light Green. It's like that seafoam green color that I like. Okay, it looks like we have some jeans. I'm not sure how often I'd be wearing jeans in summer because it's summertime, but I did buy a pair of jeans last year and they were very comfortable. Ooh, butter denim classic skinny, size 29, that's good. I like the color of this denim, very pretty. This is 1822 denim winter sky jean indigo, size 8. Very stretchy, very soft. Okay, let's try these on. Okay, so here is the yellow blouse. I really like the sleeves. I think they are so adorable. They're like mid-length up the arm and they have this cute little tie. I love the pop of yellow. I love the floral. Here's the denim jeans. I really like the color. I like the wash. They're more like jeggings rather than jeans. They're very stretchy. They fit really well. So here is the Lush blouse in teal. I didn't think that I would like this top as much as I do, but I really like the way that it looks on me better than just looking at it on a hanger. It's very, very long, so I think I would have to tuck it in here. There we go. I like the pattern on it. 3/4 sleeves, good work shirt. I also asked for casual wear. Now this is more definitely work casual, but I wanted more like relaxed cotton casual. Maybe I should have been more clear about the cotton. But other than that, we'll see. We'll see how much this costs too. here is the kimono. I really like this. This is what I was looking for when I said bohemian. It, like, everything about this screams bohemian to me. I like the color. I just put a white cami underneath it. I like the floral pattern. I feel like it screams my style right now. This is what I wanted my summer 2020 style to be. I like this open side right here. I like how long it is as well. So yeah, this one might be a keeper. We'll see. Here is the blue striped dress. I am not sure about this dress. I do love dresses, but I'm not quite sure about this one. I like how it opens right here. That's really pretty with this striped on the inside. It's like inversed striped, which is really neat. I'm not sure if this flatters me very well. It's kind of heavy for the summer. I like to go for walks outside during my breaks, and it just feels kind of heavy. It's very soft, don't get me wrong. It's a nice dress. I just don't think it's for me. Okay, so I think that you can tell what I'm going to keep. I really like this. I just want to see how much it is. I do have a $25 credit to my account, so let's see. Let's read what my stylist said. Okay, I have a new stylist from last year. Her name is Morgan. Hi Dana, I hope this fix finds you well and brings some sunshine to your week. I see that you are looking for some bright colors and casual looks that you can also wear for work. This teal green split neck blouse from Lush is great for giving a pop of color and can easily be dressed up or dressed down. Pair this blouse with these 1822 denim skinny jeans and a flat for a casual workday look that is perfect for summer. Since a dress is a great go-to for an effortlessly stylish look in the hot summer weather, I thought you would enjoy this knit dress from Market & Spruce. Style this dress with any navy flat or a white sneaker. For the light cover-up with a bohemian feel or pastel color, I thought you would enjoy this Mason and Bell kimono. It's great for layering over a classic white tee or tank, these jeans and sandals. Enjoy, XO Megan. And here are the outfit suggestions. Really neat. Okay, let's see the prices. Okay, so for Paper Moon Lari tie sleeve blouse is $44. So for the Lush Warren split neck blouse, teal green, this is $44. For the Market & Spruce Harley knit dress blue, this is $68. This is the 1822 denim winter sky jean, $40. So they're all basically the same price except for the dress. And you know which, hi Mocha. You know what I'm keeping. I'm keeping the kimono for sure. I think this might be the only thing I keep just because I'm on a budget and this is what I can afford, and $42 and I have a $25 credit. So I feel like Stitch Fix's prices are a little bit high. They do have great items. They do have great clothing items, jewelry, shoes. I did tell my stylist that I wanted the clothes to be the lowest price possible, and $42 isn't that bad. But yeah, I think this is the only thing I will be getting, even though I did like that yellow top. That yellow top on me was super cute. This kimono was my favorite item in the box, so I'm excited to keep it and to wear it and add it to my collection. If you would like to use my referral link down below for $25 off your first Stitch Fix, go right ahead. I also get $25 back towards a next fix, and that fix might show up on this YouTube channel. So that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed unboxing this Stitch Fix with me, and I hope that you all have a great day. Bye!